Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about the distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points is the length of the line joining the 2 points. So the distance between 2 points is point 1 or p sub 1, which has an x and y, and point 2 or p sub 2 also has x and y coordinates and can be expressed in terms of their coordinates by using the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. As what you can see in the figure, by constructing the line p sub 1a parallel to OX, or the origin and then the x-axis, and point 2a parallel to OY, or from the origin to the y-axis. Then we have D is equals to P sub 1A squared plus AP sub 2 squared. However, the directed length P sub 1A and AP2, or the point 2, are x sub 2 minus x sub 1 and y sub 2 minus y sub 1 respectively. By substitution, we obtain the distance formula. And also, solving for C also gives us the distance formula, which is D is equals to square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. If the two lines lie on the same horizontal or same vertical line, the distance can be found by subtracting the coordinates that are not the same. So in this illustration, x is -6 and y are -3 and 4. To easily get the distance from point A and B, all you need to do is to subtract the numbers in y-axis, which are -3 and 4, and that will give you a distance of 7 units. Notice, if the points are located horizontally from each other, the y-coordinates are the same. So in this illustration, y is both 4. So all you need to do in order to get the distance is also to get the numbers that are not the same. So here, the numbers are -6 and 1. So if we're going to add that together, that would give you 7 units. So the distance is 7 units apart. But what if the points are not located either horizontally or vertically? How can we find the distance between them? So let's take a look at this example. The distance between the points 3 and -2 and -3 and 1. So observe that the order in which the points are taken in is immaterial. Thus, in reversing the order, so we find this a number. So before that, you have to plug in the numbers using the distance formula. So which is D is equals to x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So here, if we're going to plug in the x sub 2 is -3, and then minus 3 squared plus y sub 2, which is 1 minus -2 squared. And then, since, as what I have mentioned, the order in which the points are taken is immaterial, so we have to reverse this number. So this will be the result. 3 plus 3 squared plus negative 2 minus negative or minus 1 squared. So 3 plus 3 squared is equals to 6 squared plus negative 2 minus 1 is 3 squared. So 6 squared is 36 and 3 squared is 9. 36 plus 9 is 45. So since it can still be simplified, the numbers will be 9.5. So in order to get the factor of 45, so the two numbers are 9 and 5. Then 9 can still be factored. So these are 3 and 3. And then you will get the final answer, which is 3 squared of 5. So in our example, the distance between the 2 points 3 and negative 2 and negative 3 and 1, you must remember to take note the xy ordered pairs first. Then it will be easy for you to substitute those numbers in the distance formula. In solving the distance formula, you must take note of the following. So do the brackets first, second powers, or the square the numbers, then add together, and then get the square root, and then simplify if needed. So that will be all for today. I hope you learned something from this lesson. Have a good day, everyone.